Hello friends, welcome to my video on analysis of Sumitomo Chemical India Limited. So the company Sumitomo Chemical India Limited SCIL is one of the leading players in the industry which has a balanced portfolio of technical as well as formulation products along with backward integration for some products. The company is known for domestic marketing of proprietary products of its Japanese parent Sumitomo Chemical Company Limited in agrochemicals, animal nutrition and environmental health business segments. With the integration of Excel Crop Care Limited, the company now has a strong portfolio of generics in addition to specialty products and a strong combined marketing network. With this integration, the company has moved up several notches in the pecking order of the Indian crop protection industry. SCL has also marked its presence in Africa and several other geographies of the world. So this is the website of Sumitomo Chemicals. So this is about the company. Manufactures, imports and markets products for crop protection, grain fumigation, rodent control, biopesticides, environmental health, professional pest control and feed additives for use in India. SCL has also marked its presence in Africa and several other geographies of the world. Our product range comprises of conventional chemistry sourced from our parent company Sumitomo Chemical Company and biological products sourced from USA-based subsidiary Valent Biosciences LLC, a leader in producing a range of naturally occurring environmentally compatible pesticides and plant growth regulators for over 40 years. We also produce many technical grade pesticides in our state-of-the-art manufacturing units with indigenous R&D facility. So that is about the company. So leadership or management. So this is the vision and mission, leadership and management. This is the board of directors. So this is the listing in the BSE site, and this is the listing in the NSE site. So let us see what is in the BSE site. Sumitomo Chemical India Limited. So previous close 591.85. 52-week high is 627.7. 52-week low is 336.4. So market cap is around 29,521.97 crores. So earnings per share EPS is around 8.74. Price to earnings ratio or price book value. What is a PE? PE is a price to earnings ratio. So price to earnings ratio P is the proportion of a company's share price to its earnings per share. A high PE ratio could mean that a company's stock is overvalued or that investors expect high growth rates. So what is PB? Price to book ratio. The PB ratio measures the market value of a company's stock against its book or intrinsic value, helping investors determine whether the stock is overvalued or undervalued. So this using this parameter we can check whether the stock is overvalued or undervalued. What is EPS, earnings per share? EPS is a measure of a company's profitability calculated by dividing quarterly or annual income minus dividends by the number of outstanding stock shares. The higher a company's EPS, the greater the profit and value pursued by investors. So, company's profitability divided by calculated by dividing, so it is calculated by dividing quarterly or annual income minus dividends by the number of outstanding stock shares. The higher a company's EPS, the greater the profit and value pursued by investors. So return on equity 17.88, face value 10 rupees. So index BSE 500, it's a pesticides and agrochemicals industry. Pesticides and agrochemicals industry. So announcements here, some announcements by the company, corporate actions. The company has paid dividend in the month of July 0.490. It has also paid 5 rupees in the month of February, 1.2 rupees in 2023, again 1 rupees in 2022 and zero point 0.8 in 2021. So this is the revenue, net profit, EPS, cash EPS, operational profit margin percentage, net profit margin percentage. Shareholding pattern, promoters, majority of this company is owned by the promoters, public is only 25%. So these are the peers of Sumitomo Chemicals, PIA Industries, Bayer Corp, Bayer Crop and UPL. These are the peers. So market cap is around, as discussed, 29,539 crores. Stock P 67.7. Return on capital employed 20.8%. Current price 592. Book value 48.9 rupees. Return on equity 15.3%. High or low 628/336. Dividend yield 0.15%. Base value is 10 rupees. So the currently market is So currently the stock is trading above 450 DMA and 200 DMA dynamic moving average DMA dynamic moving average. So pros and cons of the company. Company has reduced debt. Company is almost debt free. Company has been maintaining a healthy dividend payout of 34.4%. What are the cons? Stock is trading at 12.1 times its book value. The company has delivered a poor sales growth of 4.97% over past 5 years. So company is debt free, but the company has delivered little poor sales growth of around 4-5% for the past 5 years. So Sumitomo Chemicals comparative current price 591 P 67.7, market cap to 29,539.44 crore, net profit quarterly in crores 128.39, sales quarterly in crores 831.78, free cash flow rupees in crores 695.32 crores. This is the last year's free cash flow, and this is the 5 years free cash flow 1641.53 crores. Industry PE is around 36.38. So this is a slightly higher PE 67.7. Sales over the last 5 years nearly 5%. Profit 5 years been the percentage 16.54%. Profit after tax is around 436.3 crores. Sales 2,940.08 crores. Return on equity 15.33%. Debt is very negligible 25.25 crores. Operational profit margin is 18.87 crores and dividend yield 0.15%. So quarterly results. So sales have increased. Sales are steady actually, steady sales year on year, June, September. So this is quarterly actually, quarterly sales, steady quarterly sales. Operating profit is also steady quarterly. Operating profit margin percentage is also steady. Profit before tax and net profit. So this is the net profit. Net profit is steady. Earnings per share in rupees. This is also steady. Profit and loss. Consolidated figures. So year on year sales are have increased. You can see the figures have increased considerably. So even the expenses have increased also. The expenses also have increased. Operating profit is increasing year on year. You can see March 2023, March 2014, 2013, March 2014, March 2015. So March to March every year increasing. OPM percentage also is increasing, has increased. The profit before tax is increasing, and net profit also has increased. EPS in rupees, earnings per share from the past from 2020 so has increased and remain. It has increased. It is steady actually. The dividend payout started from 2019. It is steady. It is increased. It has increased 80% last year. Current year 2024. Balance sheet figures in crores. Equity capital has increased year on year. So total assets, there is an increase in the total assets of the company. Cash flow, cash from operating activity increasing year on year. Cash from investing activity is negative. Cash from financing activity is also negative. But net cash flow is also slightly negative. Ratios, cash conversion cycle, this is steady actually, cash conversion cycle. Debtor days is also steady. Return on capital employed is it increased and it has become steady. Shareholding pattern. So promoters are holding 75% of this company. FIIs, the stake of FIIs has increased last year. So this year, current year, DIs also have increased their stakes in this company. Public, the public has reduced a little. Shareholding percentage is reduced for the public. Number of shareholders, it is steady actually. So this is about the company. So in NSE India also it is the same. Pesticides and agrochemicals industry Nifty 500 index is Nifty 500. Corporate actions, board meetings, security status. These are the financial results, shareholding patterns. So what does LiveMint say about Sumitomo Chemical shares? So it's a balanced risk company. So it is a strong buy actually. Recommendation is strong buy from LiveMint. For both short term and long term and short term, this is bullish. So analyst rating based on 6 analysts, strong buy is around 50%, buy is around 33.33%, hold is 16.61%. So no underperform, no zero sell, zero underperform. So the share price forecast, it can reach 629. Uh, that is the forecast actually. So these are the forecasts that you can see: profits, revenue. So number of analysts, 6 analysts. Strength, weakness, opportunities and threats. SWOT analysis. 17 strengths, 9 opportunity, 3 weakness and 3 threats. QVT score. Sumitomo Chemical India quality 75 out of 100, valuation 17/100, technical 71/100, technically bullish, though it is expensive actually, but high financial strength. So 56.52% passed in checklist. So 13 positive, 10 negative. Financial 5 positive, 3 negative. Ownership 3 positive, 1 negative. Peer comparison 1 positive, 2 negative. Value and momentum Value and momentum, 4 positive, 4 negative. So here there is the balance sheet, cash flow annually, quarterly. We already seen it. Sumitomo Chemical in the peers, stock peers. BASF India, Himadri Specialty Chemical, Sumitomo Chemical, Bayer Crop Science, Tata Chemicals. Shareholding we already seen FII category. FII mutual funds, promoters, public shareholding. So these funds have invested in this company. 361 balanced hybrid fund regular growth, Axis regular silver fund growth, and Canara Bank Robeco balanced advantage fund growth. So it's a chemical manufacturing company. So it's a strong buy actually from these six analysts. Strong buy is around 50%. So strong buy records strong buy. So coming to if I see in the grow, buy is around 86% from 7 analysts in the grow channel. So in money control, analyst rating based on 6 analysts, buy ratings around 50%. So 50% analysts have recommended buy. So broker research, Sher Khan, Prabhudas, Leeladhar, they have given buy ratings actually. So if you like my video, please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.